Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Wi-Fi network with Amazon Kindle Paperwhite. To do this, first we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of our screen, navigate to the settings, then look for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Here we need to enter Wi-Fi network, but before that, make sure that your airplane mode is disabled like I have right here. Then enter Wi-Fi networks. Then you'll be able to find all of the networks available for the Kindle, and you can select one of them. Then enter the password for that network. And after a while, your Kindle should be connected to the network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.